What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We are in Arizona and on top of a mountain. We're actually on the side of a mountain. Look at that view. Purpose of this video, show you got to get up, get out, explore the world. Don't stay on your couch. Don't stay, inside your house or just stick to a treadmill. There's different ways to do cardio. There's different ways to burn fat. And this just happened to be a good day to get out. Brought my buddy brought me out here, Wesley, and his dog Petey. It's our first time, well, all of our first time out here. And man, I would not mind doing this again. Like I was telling him earlier, it was never on my list to go and hike on the side of a mountain or up a mountain, but it sure made it on my list and it got checked off real fast. So I think we're almost halfway there. It's so hard to breathe up here. We're about 9,000 miles, or what is it, 9,000 feet above sea level. So it is real thin up here. But man, the view is ridiculous. Plus, the workout you're getting, your whole full body trying to stay on these rocks, try not to fall off the side of the mountain. And just the cardio, it's, oh man, ridiculous. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna finish up this hike and see y'all later. So we get to the top and some people are running to us from that way, which is another trail. And they're like, oh, you took the hard way up. And we looked at each other like, there's another way to hike? There's an easy way to hike? And then they were like, oh, we took the car up. They shuttled us up here. And then we forget our food in the car. And so we're just like, yuppies, man. But yeah, don't take the shuttle to the top of the mountain and walk down. Not worth it. Get out, walk it on the trail, Get it done. Don't take a car.
What is it? The fucking let me see the map.
All right, so we hiked all the way to the Mexico and America border. America. And United States, whatever. We're on the trail. It took, what, 3 miles to get here? Yeah. 3 mile hike, so we got a 3 mile hike back. So what's the name of the trail and everything?
So we started out on the Joe Canyon Trail, which was 2.4 miles. And then we took a left onto the Yaqui Ridge Trail. And that led us here to the international boundary marker.
Yeah, and it's a sight. If you have not visited Arizona, do it. And get out, get on a trail. There's a lot of other different trails out here. We just chose this one because, one, it had my name in it. Two, it came all the way to the international border. And I mean, it's only a 6 mile hike. And I mean, 6 miles doing this compared to a treadmill, way better. Plus, you get a lot of fresh air. It's good for your lungs, just good for your body. So we're gonna head back and we'll see y'all later. Yeah. We are at the border of Mexico and America. Yep, that's a big hole in the fence. Wow. And then there goes the border down that way. All that cut out right here. Wow, that's the border. Alrighty guys, so we just finished the hike. Man, that was tough.
Lord have mercy.
So I want to thank y'all for checking out the video. Make sure you give the video a big thumbs up. Get out and do something. Not saying get out, go to a gym. Get out, go walk around. Find you a trail. Take a hike. If you haven't, subscribe to the channel. See y'all next time.